A body scan meditation. For this meditation, you can decide to sit down or lie down. It is also possible to stand up during this mindfulness exercise. Keeping a straight back while relaxing the body to maintain comfortable is the best start. You can choose to put your hands alongside your body or place them on your thighs or belly. And remember to treat all my instructions as suggestions and pick the ones that make you feel safe and calm. So, if it feels comfortable, you can close your eyes now. You can also keep your eyes open or slightly open, just allowing some light to come in. If you decide to keep the eyes open, it is best to keep the gaze relaxed and not focused on anything too intensely. Let your breathing be natural and calm. And if you feel your breath is a bit strained or tense, you can start by taking a couple of deep breaths and then return to breathing naturally. It may be helpful to first pay a general attention to how your body is sitting, standing, or laying down in whatever space you find yourself. Notice how the gravity pulls on your body, attaching it securely to the surface you're located on. Allow all your muscles to relax as much as possible while paying attention to each part of your body going forward. Also remember that if you feel any strong, unpleasant sensations in your body, you may need to shift your attention to more pleasant sensations. You may also not feel much at all. Any experience, and even the lack of it, is completely normal, and it does not mean you are doing anything wrong. And in case of a total lack of sensations, it can be helpful to simply visualize each body part instead of focusing on the feelings in the actual body. Let's start by paying attention to the face muscles. We often hold substantial levels of tension in the muscles around the eyes, the jaw, and the neck. Notice your facial expressions, and if it feels comfortable, let a slight smile appear inside your lips and in the corners of your eyes. Try relaxing all the muscles, moving attention slowly from the top of your head to your forehead, down to your brows, the space around and behind your eyes, to your nose and cheeks. Notice and release any clenching of your jaw if present. Notice any sensations inside and around your mouth. Perhaps it is slightly tingling, pulsating, or pulling. There is no need to name these sensations, just notice them as you are relaxing your face and moving your attention down to your neck, down to your shoulders. Feel into the sensations in your neck and shoulders, and if you become aware of no sensations, feel free to visualize all the muscles there relaxing. Allow the shoulders to drop down as they become heavy and relaxed. Move your attention down to your arms, the elbows, forearms, all the way to your wrists, hands, and fingers. As much as it's possible, release any tension in your arms and hands and feel the sensations inside your hands and inside your fingers. Also feeling the space around the hands and between the fingers. Now gently move your attention to your back, from the top of the shoulders down the spine, all the way to the lower back. Notice whatever sensations and release any tension in your back, if any is present. Similarly, check the sensations in the front of your body and release potential tension in your chest and belly area. It may be helpful to take deep breath and allow the chest and belly to fully expand with it. Let your belly be soft and relaxed as it is gently filled with each breath. If it feels comfortable for you, follow the rise and fall of the chest and belly for a short while, breathing in and breathing out. Moving the attention to the lower part of the body now, notice the sensations in your lower belly and buttocks. Again, you can choose to pay attention to your position in space, your body touching the surface you are sitting or laying on. Feeling all the sensations inside your upper legs, knees, and lower legs all the way down to your ankles and feet. Relaxing all the muscles if you note any tension, but mostly allowing any sensations to be as they are. You may find it interesting to note the slight sensations in all parts of your feet that you perhaps rarely notice. Feel the arches of your feet. Feel the soles of your feet. Feel one by one all your toes. Can you notice any sensations in the heels of your feet? Whatever sensations arise, remember that there is no need to name them, just notice as you move through the various parts of your feet. Before ending this practice, let your attention slowly take in your whole body and the sensation you noticed. Traveling up from the feet, up the legs, through the front and back of the body, going down the arms to your fingers, and finally moving up to your face and head. Breathing naturally, notice the sensations from all areas inside your body and even those from the space outside and around your body. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes if they were closed, look around and maybe stretch a bit. Thank you for taking the time to practice mindfulness. You can always return to this meditation anytime you need to take a short break from your busy mind.